Hi there, this is just a quick follow-up to my video about the issues I was having with my Classic 350 Speedo. I showed the video of the problem to my Royal Enfield dealer, and they then sent the same video to Royal Enfield Spain, and eventually Royal Enfield Spain got back and said that they would send a replacement Speedo to my dealer. So that is going to be fitted when I go to the dealer in August for the 6-month service on the Classic 350. The interesting thing about all of this is that Royal Enfield Spain are saying that there is no revision of the Speedo. They haven't made a revised design to eliminate this problem. They are saying that they are aware that certain batches of Speedos were not up to spec, which can result in the problems that we are experiencing. They assured my dealer that the replacement they will be sending will not be affected by the issues I had with the original Speedo. So this would suggest that they are aware of which batches of Speedos were faulty and are no longer using them. They are no longer sending them out as warranty replacements. And that's interesting in as far as I think we can safely assume that Royal Enfield are on top of this supply problem, that bikes that are being made now won't have this Speedo issue in the future, and those of us who receive replacement Speedos shouldn't have a problem either. Strangely, Royal Enfield seem to be saying different things in different countries. Some UK dealers are stating that there has been a revision of the Speedo to fix this problem and that they are waiting for delivery of the revised Speedos, whereas Royal Enfield Spain, so not the dealer, but actually Royal Enfield Spain, are stressing to the dealer that there is no version 2 of the Speedo, merely that some Speedos were not up to standard and that they are aware of this fact, and they made a point of stressing that the Speedo they send as a replacement is not part of these defective batches, so the issue should not reoccur. Now, obviously, we don't know who's telling the truth in all of this, but I think the main takeaway is that Royal Enfield realised that there is an issue. However that happened, that doesn't really bother us as end users. The main thing is, if this issue does occur with your bike, they seem to acknowledge the issue. They don't make any big song and dance about it. They're quite happy to replace Speedos which experience this issue. So there you go. That was just a brief update of the current situation. I would say that anybody who's hesitating on pulling the trigger for buying a Classic 350 shouldn't hesitate, because it's fairly obvious that Royal Enfield acknowledge this problem and they are on top of it, and I'm fairly confident that the bikes being made today won't have this issue anyway. And even if you did have this issue, they seem more than happy to replace Speedos if required under warranty. So there you go, that's a little bit more peace of mind for those of you who were wondering how this issue was being handled. I'm quite happy with the solution that I've been offered, and if anything changes I will make another video. The replacement Speedo will be fitted in August, as I said. So yeah, I'll definitely get back to you if anything changes, but personally I think Royal Enfield are doing their best to sort the problem out. And I don't think they're going to make your life difficult if you're unfortunate enough to have one of these slightly dodgy Speedos. Thanks very much for watching or listening, and I hope to bring you a new video very soon. Bye bye.